Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a
Hey guys, we got our first shipment from Direct. We got a couple XL Power Spectre 700s here, as you can see, and we got some goodies to outfit them. So let's see what we got. Set of Azure 700s and 715s. We'll gonna test out some different blades and see kind of what works best for my flying style. Got some Rotortechs as well, 700 Ultimates and some 715s. Some Rotortech tail blades. We got some Azure tail blades on the way as well. We got some, let's see here, Futaba 760 flight controllers. Looking forward to trying these. Got some Futaba Hobbywing 200 amp ESCs. Some Pulse 12S5000 stick packs. And we're going to try out the Torq HLX Cyclic and tail servos. Get these out. Got the T-box for those as well, so it'll be nice to be able to set servo center and whatnot on the bench. Real convenient. Use the HLX tail servos. And then, oh yeah, thanks to Vincent over at Egodrift, we got some Egodrift motors. So that'll do it for now. Looking forward to the build.
Direct!